Hello, everyone. Coming to you not live because this will be recording, and now you got to cut this out. Hey guys, just wanted to. We're getting into more information-based stuff. As far as a need, we've seen the big need for it, um, and as we do that, instead of everybody coming in and just repeating ourselves, we're actually starting a YouTube channel to hopefully do some of the common stuff where it's backing up and stuff like that. We'll still be here to help you guys with all that. But we're just trying to cut down a little bit of expense for you guys and cut some time and more efficient for us and everybody around. I really think it was a big thing that we didn't know that people needed, that there was such a need in this industry for that. And information based, I'm talking about backing up your phone, your photos, your contacts, your notes. I mean everything in your phone, your tablets, your computers, and just really having that stored a second place, because what we've learned is most people don't, even though like the wireless shops, and we're referring to like AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, etc. Have aren't necessarily, I think, taught on a lot of that information, which is not a bad thing. It's just something that we have noticed, that there's a big void in this industry for that. Not just repair, there's a void for that, but there's also a void for helping people with the information side of it, and helping them either figure out small issues and stuff like that. And I commend everybody for sending us people when they don't know. But it's something we have had to educate ourselves a lot more on, because it's constantly changing, right? And it's constantly, they incorporate new software and stuff like that. So what we do and what we're trying to say in this video is that we are diving deeper into learning more about that stuff, so we can help you guys more, and we'll create videos and little tutorials to help you guys more in that. Just want to touch briefly on that, because it's such a hard thing. People get told by so many different people about different things in different ways, and to be honest with you, 90% of it's probably false. It might have a little bit of truth to it, but they don't truly know, because every time there's an update, things change a little bit. Every time there's a new phone or a new this or that, things change. So we try to keep on top of that. We have to keep on top of that, because our customers come in and say, we can't figure this out. Nobody can help us. What do we do? And I really feel like, it's come to my attention that we need to dig it more into and help more people in that. So, which it's become quite a bit of our business now. So we might actually have some classes that's been in the talks a little bit too for the future here. But for now, come in or follow the YouTube channel. We're going to try to do this every week. Maybe not as long as this first one, because this first one has quite a bit of content, but also direct you guys. And you can always just email us or message us on Facebook, and seeing if we can't help you through message, then you can come in and we can help you through that way. Next thing, where we've come, where we're going, everything that's happened. It's been pretty intense overall in the last year that we've been here in this space, which is awesome. Thanks to you guys for telling all your friends and family, because we like to see you guys, but outside of repair. And some people we've seen a couple times. I've broke my screen 3 times since I started the store myself. So we know that some people break it more than others. Sometimes we get somebody that they're like, oh, this is the first phone I broke. And other times it's like, oh, it was last month. So it all depends on a lot of different variables there. Also, water damage. I know we did a post, and it's a constant thing. I waterproof my phone with our machine. It's up to 91% effective. That being said, electronics with holes in them for microphones, speakers, cameras, etc., will never be completely waterproof. At least to this point, we don't have the technology for that. That being said, now it's probably about a 65 to 70% with a lot of devices. Our waterproofing machine takes that up to 91%. Makes it a lot, and it's actually hydrophobic coating on the inside of all your components, which if you want to look that up, that'll make a lot more sense. But it's putting a little film on the inside to protect everything. And then what else were we going to talk about? I've kind of skipped over everything as far as where we're going, where we are, and what, but I would just want to touch on now, it's not just me. We also have Jaden, which is actually behind the camera. That's full-time. He does a great job. And we also have Dalen that's coming on part-time, and the learning curve is like, whoop, like this before. He has fixed a couple phones, but just the learning curve is huge. Even though he might know how to repair something, the software and information diagnosing and stuff is tremendous and takes a lot of time, experience, and time and experience. And then some more time and experience, because it really does. I mean, Jaden has been part-time since last fall, and he's still learning. I'm still learning. It's a constant thing where we have to learn. So we spend a couple hours a week to whatever, just learning the new stuff, figuring new things out. Oh, there's a new issue we never saw before, and it's always a challenge. And that's one reason I really love this, is it's always a challenge. And bringing smiles to you guys' faces, because if we can create some kind of positivity in this world, we are all winning here at the lab. And I think where we are going from this, and I know I'm kind of jumping all over, but where we're going, where I see this going, is really building this store and maybe opening up another location somewhere in the next town, because there's a lot of people that come from up to 45 minutes to an hour away sometimes just to get our service, our warranty, our lifetime warranty, which a lot of shops don't offer. As long as there's no physical damage, we just cover it, but a lot of shops don't offer, and it's kind of mind-blowing to me that they don't, but it's okay because it gives us more business. So there's a need in neighboring towns and stuff. So maybe we can build out to where you won't have to drive. If you're not in Warsaw, you don't have to drive as far, which is our goal, to convenience, fast, reliable service, and cover and warranty all our work, and creating a positive experience. In that, creating smiles for you guys is really what we try to do, and do it to the best of our ability, to the best that we can in helping you guys. So until next time, I think that is all. And I could ramble on for days about this stuff now, because there's so many different avenues. But if you have one particular issue or one particular thing you would like us to focus on or do an episode on, just leave a comment, message us, and we will touch and dive deeper into, because this is just kind of an overview, so you kind of have an idea. Maybe this gave you an idea, maybe it didn't, but we're going to dive into different topics and different common issues and stuff like that. And again, huge props to all the wireless shops in the area for recommending us. We would not be with where we are without them and their support, and all you guys recommending your friends and family. I think that's it. So have a great day. It's raining outside, by the way.
Oh yeah.
We're still smiling.